Hello, this is Miss Smith from Enrichology Tutoring, bringing you a quick video over expressions. What are they? Not just the ones on my face, but in math. And how do we simplify said expressions, both numerical and algebraic? Now, getting into my first thing, what are expressions in math? We got two types, numerical and algebraic. Numerical expressions have numbers and they have operations. Now, what is an operation? Not just the kind that occurs in the surgical room, but an operation. We have subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, and we have many more. Exponentiation is just another form of multiplication, and of course, if you have gotten there already, then you know what this 2 raised to 2 means. It's just 2 times 2. If not, there you go. We have square roots. We have the square root of 4, which is what number times itself equals 4. Anyone? 2. So square root, these two are opposites of each other. They undo the other. And then we also have things like factorials. There are a lot of different operations. So operations are the logic we're applying to given numbers in a scenario. Now, an example of a numerical expression, let me put some numbers here. I'm just going to write them out. Raised to the third. All right. I have a numerical expression right here. Got a lot of different operations going on. Matter of fact, I'm going to make that a plus, just so I have a little bit more variety. I have a lot of different operations going on. How do I break this down and solve it? You may know how to attack it already. I'll give you a moment to think about it. Oftentimes in math classes, you talk about somebody's Aunt Sally, things like that. If you said PEMDAS, or parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or they use a mnemonic device for it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. These are what we use for order of operations when simplifying a numerical expression. And that's what I'm about to apply here. The P stands for parentheses. Do I have parentheses in this expression? Yeah, I do. I have parentheses right here, and I have them right here. So I'm going to go ahead and attack this one, though. In this one, I have a expression within a set expression. So I'm going to do this. Get rid of it. So 2 raised to the third, which is equal to 8. So I have 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. Oh, I have $6, and then I lose $8 in a bet. Shouldn't have been gambling. I now have only $2 left. So this is, I owe $2. Oh, my bad. So I have negative right here, and I have a 3 times 2 and 4. Now I'm going to look at this. We have multiple instances of multiplication in this. Do you see where we're going to multiply? If you said right here and right here, you would be correct. There isn't a number in front of this negative sign, but there is a -1 implied. This -1 is indeed being multiplied by the -2. So we have +2. And then right here, 3 times 2 equals 6. And then we still have +4. 4 plus 6 equals 10, plus 2 equals 12. My expression simplifies in its lowest terms to 12. This is also an expression, y'all. A numerical expression can be a single number. And so that's what we have done. We have simplified our numerical expression. So when you do simplifying of numerical expressions, you're solving for the expression, as we would put it. Now, if I had wrote this not as an expression, but as an equation, do you know what I would have put there instead? So if I was solving this original expression, but it put it as an equation, I would have put an equal sign right there. Now, when we're looking at an expression versus an equation, equations have equal signs. And I could have put this is equal to 12. Now I have written this expression, which isn't just one expression. I've actually written this to have two expressions. I have an expression right here, and I have an expression right here. This is an equation. Equations are different than expressions because an equation has two expressions set equal to each other. Okay. Now we're going to look at another type of expression, an algebraic expression. With this, we're going to have variables. The famous x, this is where it comes in. Everybody's looking for x, and I'm gonna actually have to look up one day, why do we use x more than anything else? We have x, you can use a, you can use b, you can use c, you can use any number, or not number, letter out there to signify some unknown variable, which we can solve for using, algebra. All right, so an example of an algebraic expression also has numbers and it has operations. Okay, and remember again that operations can be subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, factorials, exponents, square roots, and such forth. There's a lot of different types of operations out there. When you're solving an algebraic expression, you will indeed still use a PEMDAS. And you will also, whenever you have parentheses and something outside of it, distribute. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to simplify first what is in parentheses. Then I'm going to distribute this term that is outside the parentheses into the parentheses. So doing this now, I have 4x. 1 plus 7, of course, is 8. 3y times 8 gives me 24y minus 2x. This is not completely simplified yet. There's something else I need to do. I need to combine the like terms. Do you see where the like terms are? And right here and right here. I'm going to combine these two. And now I have 2x plus 24y. Can we put this x and the y together? Not at all. They're not the same. We don't know what x is. X could be 4. X could be 5. Why? We don't know what it is. It could be 20. It could be 200. It could be any number out there. And we can't combine these because we have two unknowns. All right. So that was my quick explanation of what is an expression and how we simplify them. Main thing is, of course, when it comes to algebraic expressions, we have to combine like terms. And when it comes to numerical expressions, which is the same as solving, because the lowest or the most simplified version of a numerical expression is one number or an answer. All right. If you like this this video and would like to see more videos from our channel, please click like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later or see you later. Bye.